Are you at home now? Are you at home now? Yes, I am at home. Yes, I am at home. Do you like this color? Do you like this color? Yes, it looks nice. Yes, it looks nice. Did you call him today? Did you call him today? No, not yet. No, not yet. Are you going to sleep early? Are you going to sleep early? Yes, I will try. Yes, I will try. Do you watch TV at night? Do you watch TV at night? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Do you need more time? Do you need more time? Yes, please. Yes, please. Can you hear the noise outside? Can you hear the noise outside? Yes, I heard it. Yes, I heard it. Did you forget your case? Did you forget your case? No, I have them. No, I have them. Are you comfortable here? Are you comfortable here? Yes, it's fine. Yes, it's fine. Did the bus arrive on time? Did the bus arrive on time? No, it was late. No, it was late. Are you following me? Are you following me? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you need to leave now? Do you need to leave now? Yes, I should go. Yes, I should go. Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Are you worried about anything? Are you worried about anything? No, not really. No, not really. Do you like quiet places? Do you like quiet places? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Did you charge your phone? Did you charge your phone? Yes, it's fully charged. Yes, it's fully charged. Are you waiting for a call? Are you waiting for a call? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you feel hungry now? Do you feel hungry now? Not yet. Not yet. Did you enjoy the weather today? Did you enjoy the weather today? Yes, it was pleasant. Yes, it was pleasant. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I sit here? No, go ahead. No, go ahead. Did you check the address? Did you check the address? Yes, it's correct. Yes, it's correct. Are you in a good mood today? Are you in a good mood today? Yes, I feel good. Yes, I feel good. Do you prefer walking or riding? Do you prefer walking or riding? I prefer walking. I prefer walking. Did you lock your bike? Did you lock your bike? Yes, I locked it. Yes, I locked it. Are you paying by cash? Are you paying by cash? Yes, cash is fine. Yes, cash is fine. Do you want to take a break? Do you want to take a break? Yes, a short break. Yes, a short break. Are you okay with the price? Are you okay with the price? Yes, it's reasonable. Yes, it's reasonable. Do you need an umbrella? Do you need an umbrella? Yes, it might rain. Yes, it might rain. Did you finish your tea? Did you finish your tea? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Are you planning to travel soon? Are you planning to travel soon? Yes, next month. Yes, next month. Are you done for today? Are you done for today? Yes, I am done. Yes, I am done. Are you done with your work? Are you done with your work? Yes, almost done. Yes, almost done. Did you enjoy the trip? Did you enjoy the trip? Yes, it was great. Yes, it was great. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Yes, every day. Yes, every day.